What is body? SolidWorks defines body as a contiguous volume. Many people understand or define multi-body part as a part that has bodies that are disjoint or separated from each other. But in SolidWorks, it is not mandatory that bodies should disjoint or separated from each other. Bodies can be in touch or in close to each other. For example, this is a multi-body part with two number of bodies that are separated from each other. But this is also a multi-body part, but the both bodies are in contact with each other. A multi-body part have a solid body folders. You can see that shows the number of bodies in that part. This part has two number of bodies, and from its just right click on this folder and show feature history. From drop down menu, you can see the features that are associated with each bodies. This is body 1 and this is the body 2. You can see that boss extrude 4 and shell feature is associated with this body, while boss extrude and cut feature is associated with this body. You can see physically this is the shell feature that is associated with the yellow body, and this is the cut feature that is associated with the green body. So this was the introduction of a multi-body part.